Weekly horoscope. Week commencing 27th September till 3rd of October 2021. For all of you, this particular preview which only we share one part, which is conclusion part 1. And in premium content, we provide you transit of moon for the whole week, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, task, precaution, chanting. And in preview, we only provide you conclusion part 1. If you like to have the whole weekly content, you have to visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the whole weekly horoscope, implement the whole horoscope in your routine, because these are all weekly horoscopes, applied horoscopes. So choice is yours. I hope you'll enjoy the whole content, and I hope you'll enjoy the whole preview part for all of you. Let's talk about Aries weekly brief forecast, week commencing 27th of September till 3rd of October 2021. Aries weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1. Aries, in this coming week, you will involve in buying and selling and negotiating a lot of business deals. In this coming week, you'll also come across a lot of technical issues, sometimes personal issues. Sometimes you can be all over the place. Aries, refrain from foul temper, over-aggressive approach, over-stubborn attitude. Otherwise, you'll end up something very important. You end up ruining something extremely important, which you shouldn't do that. Aries, your income will be high, but be prepared for traveling. Sometimes you will be out of comfort zone and too much running around to achieving your goal. But in this coming week, your family support, your companion support, the guidance will be there, and with their help, you will be able to create a unique change. There will be great changes and transformations and improvements overall if you look at it. But may I say that there will be rise in status, prestige, and honor, and income resources. Most of your efforts will be rewarded. But focus on yourself, on your health and well-being. Your expenditure will be on good deeds with your own will. That's what you want to do. Aries, in this coming week, due to Ketu position in 8th house, you have to look after your health and well-being. You have to look after your marriage relationship. You have to look after your conduct and actions and dealings. Moon Rahu in 2nd house. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud. Look after your flow of income. Venus Mercury in 7th house. You have to take care of your relationship. Make sure there should not be any scandal in your communication with people around you, personally or professionally. Jupiter Saturn 10th house. Watch your communication with the whole world. Do watch your investment and spending professionally or personally. Sun Mars in 6th house. Keep a close eye on your rivals, on your enemies, and look after your health, anything to do with below the button of belly. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define you, your moon's transit effect for all of you. Moon transit effect will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report to define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin. What sacred chanting you can exercise in the whole 7x7 days to achieve your supremacy and achieving your goal. For that kind of horoscope, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Taurus weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Taurus. In this coming week, Taurus, please be prepared for tedious situations, challenges, complications. Your creativity, enthusiasm, and family support will be there as an asset in resolving and sorting out a lot of your problems and complications. You've got to invest patience, tolerance, listening, care, compassion in your relationship, in your family relationship, in your personal relationship, in your romantic relationship. You've got to handle all the awkward situations with affection and care. Your expenditure will be on luxuries and lifestyle. Please be prepared and avoid any family arguments or disputes or conflicts, please. If you are driving or traveling, then you do look after your well-being. Taurus, in this coming week, due to Ketu position 7th house, Look after your relationship. Any issue regarding sourness or bitterness in the relationship. Moon Rahu in the Lagna. Beware of confusion, illusion, and any kind of a destructive thinking, jealousy, or any kind of a conflicting situation personally or professionally. Sun Mars position in 5th house. Look after your health regarding tummy or chest, and may I say, watch your temper. Mercury Venus in the 6th house. There should not be any living conflict in your relationship. There should not be any friction or kind of differences of opinion between in your personal relationship or professional relationship. Jupiter Saturn 9th house. Do take elders' blessing what you want to accomplish. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit effect. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decision, your choices, your health, your happiness, your harmony. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must exercise in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you can exercise in the next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Gemini weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Gemini. In this coming week, you will be extremely busy in your work. You'll get the support, guidance, and you'll be in contact with a lot of professional people, powerful people, decision maker. There are lots of running around. Rise in expenditure, rise in recognition, ability, skill set. Please beware of foul temper, Gemini, and cheating, deception, fraud. Beware of any issue linked with health and profession. There will be rise in compassion, comfort, and luxuries in lifestyle. Health, you must take care of yourself regarding lower abdomen, regarding skin. Any issue with bladders or blood. Your routine will be going through a lot of progression. Refresh your vision. Be more determined. Invest more discipline. Be more dedicated. You are on the path of progression. You will achieve something unique. Gemini, weekly brief forecast, week commencing 27th September till 3rd of October 2021. Gemini. Gemini in this coming week, due to Ketu's position in 6th house. Look after your health. Keep a close eye on your rivals. Moon Rahu in 12th house. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud. Beware of financial losses. Make sure there should not be any third party influences in your personal relationship. And make sure beware of unexpected expenditure or huge financial losses. And do watch your debts. Sun Mars position in 4th house. Refrain from any kind of a conflicting situation domestically, personally, or professionally. Mercury Venus position in 5th house. There will be some sort of a companionship, friendship you might enjoy thoroughly. Jupiter Saturn 8th house. Look after yourself from any kind of an accident or any kind of a unexpected events or any issues. And look after your health. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. The whole week's analysis define your moon's transit effect. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological task you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must exercise in your discipline to save your skin. What chanting you can exercise in the next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Cancerian weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1. In this coming week, you will get the support, guidance. You'll involve yourself in a planning project, new venture, new idea, and vision will be refreshed. There will be difference opinion in your family relationship, and sometimes expenditure will be sky high. Beware of official complications. Please do exercise your patience, humility, and presentation. Sometimes your energy level can be sky high. Sometimes energy level can be low. Sometimes peace of mind won't be there. Your foreign project will be on progression. Your mind will be restless and you will go through lots of running around. You can be all over the place. A level of satisfaction won't be there. Your past efforts will be rewarded. Cancerian, in this coming week due to Ketu position 5th house, look after your health regarding lower abdomen or digestive system. Moon Rahu's position 11th house. Beware of any kind of a living conflict with higher authorities or decision makers. Do watch your technical obstacles which can come across through your source of income or income resources. Sun Mars position in 3rd house. You have to be very careful regarding your communication with people around you. Refrain from any kind of uncontrolled aggression. Mercury Venus in 4th house. Life can be full of luxuries or companionship and you'll enjoy thoroughly. Jupiter Saturn position in 7th house. Watch your communication, personally or professionally. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit effect. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological task you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must exercise in your discipline to save your skin. What chanting you must exercise in the next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Leo weekly conclusion part 1, Leo. In this coming week, you will be able to resolve a lot of your problems, complications and issues. A lot of stale project, derailed project will be back on track. And you will come across lots of income resources. You will be quite restless and going through lack of focus, sometimes lack of concentration, sometimes you can be all over the place. Please do watch your word of speech, presentation. Otherwise, you go through lots of family relationship rows, arguments, petty fighting, unnecessary conflicts. You will involve in a new project venture and ideas, but your focus and concentration have to be there. You'll involve a lot of new planning, new venture, new investment, new speculation, but be focused. By the weekend, there will be fruitless running around and rise in aggression, and sometimes overthinking, too much overthinking, and which can be sometimes you can be overexcited. Be careful. Leo due to Ketu position 4th house. Sometimes personal happiness concentration can be missing. Sometimes you can be very much restless. Sometimes you can be all over the place. Look after your relationship with your parents or your mother and father. Moon Rahu in 10th house. You will come across lots of technical obstacles in your profession. You have to be very careful regarding professional decision, professional investment, professional choices. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud when it comes to profession. Sun Mars position in 2nd house. Watch your communication, watch your word of speech. Mercury Venus in 3rd house. May I say that with the finest communication, with flawless communication, you can achieve dignified opportunities. Jupiter Saturn in 6th house. Look after your relationship with people around you, personally or professionally. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit effect. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must exercise in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must exercise in the next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Virgo weekly conclusion part 1, Virgo. In this coming week, you will come across lots of professional and financial opportunities. You'll have to put, may I say, extreme effort, hard work, focus, determination to achieve your goal. Virgo, refrain from any kind of a layback attitude or lazy attitude. You go through lots of complication. Refrain from any foul temper, overreaction, and out of control word of speech. Otherwise, you'll end up ruining something very important. You'll have an opportunity to involve yourself in import and export business. Please do control your temper. Otherwise, you'll end up ruining something very important. Virgo, in this coming week, due to Ketu position 3rd house, do watch your communication with world around you. Moon Rahu in 9th house. Make sure your relationship with elders should be good. They do take care of your health and well-being regarding your back or lower abdomen. If there are any sharp pain in your tummy or lower abdomen, you must go and see your doctor. Sun Mars position in 1st house. Watch your communication with world around you. Do watch your decisions and choices and refrain from any kind of a uncontrolled aggression. The more you become active, creative, dynamic, more you will achieve. Mercury, Venus in 2nd house. Flow of income will be finest, but all depend on your creativity on action and conduct and decisions and choices. Jupiter, Saturn in 5th house. Beware of any kind of a layback attitude or laziness. More you become dynamic or creative or active, more you will achieve. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, like moon's transit effect. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must exercise in your discipline to achieve your to save yourself completely, what sacred chanting you must exercise in the next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Weekly conclusion part 1. In this coming week, there will be change in your personal circumstances and profession. But with your hard work and determination, you will be able to create a change and achieving progression and achievements. There will be lots of running around and sometimes peace of mind won't be there. Don't waste your precious time for fruitless tasks. Beware of over-suspicious attitudes. People will wind you up in wrong way. You have to refrain from difference opinion and ego clashes. Your expenditure can be sky high due to luxuries, lifestyle, image polishing. Be careful. Libra, in this coming week, due to Ketu position 2nd house. Watch your flow of income, watch your debts. Moon Rahu in 8th house. Look after your health, look after your well-being, look after your luck, look after your destiny. Watch your actions and conduct and dealing. Please beware of any kind of a living conflict and argument, and do look after your health. If there is any sharp pain in your lower part of your tummy or chest, you must go and see your doctor. Sun Mars position in 12th house. Beware of fine penalty punishment and beware of unexpected huge expenditures. Mercury, Venus in 1st house. There will be a lot of companionship, luxuries, lifestyle, but still you have to make a best choices. Jupiter, Saturn position in 4th house. Watch your communication with the world around you. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit effect. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report will tell you exactly what astrological task you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must exercise in the next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Scorpio, weekly conclusion part 1. In this coming week, there will be change in family atmosphere. Your income resources will be limited, but whenever you involve yourself in a business dealing, negotiation, then you got to be very thorough, very firm, very polite. Please beware of cheating, deception, fraud. There will be lots of socializing, mingling, meeting with people, enjoying, having a fun. Your foreign project will be successful after going through lots of obstacles, changes, transformations. There will be lots of running around, mental stress, and you go through lots of different opinions and clashes with your own people. You have to be extra careful. Try to be a good listener. Calm down your temper and do not overreact in any situation. Try to find a depth inside you to absorb people, to accommodate people, and do not overthinking about any situation, please. Scorpio, weekly brief forecast. Week commencing 27 September till 3rd of October. Scorpio, this coming week is going to bring for you this. Scorpio, in this coming week, due to Ketu position in first house, be prepared for traveling or running around or change of place. But think thoroughly before you make any final changes. Moon Rahu's position 7th house. If there are any developed misunderstanding or confusion or illusion in your personal relationship or professional relationship or issue with your communication, you have to be extra careful. Refrain from any kind of a developed misunderstanding. Beware of financial losses. Beware of scandal or living conflict in personal life or professional life. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud, please. Sun Mars position 11th house. Income resources will be there, support will be there, but all depend on your activity, creativity, how you organize, what sort of discipline you are investing, what sort of determination, drive is there for you. More you become determined, driven, as well as disciplined, more you will achieve success, prosperity, rise. Mercury Venus position 12th house. Sometimes your expenditure can be sky high, sometimes with your own will you spend hugely. Jupiter Saturn position 3rd house. Watch your communication with the world. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit effect. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need when you're trapped. What precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must exercise in the next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Sagittarius weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1. In this coming week, you'll go through many obstacles, delays, complications, struggles. Beware of any official conflicts, unnecessary tensions. Your family atmosphere will go through lots of uncertainties. You have to watch your drive in step. With your knowledge, ability and skill set, you can change the profession, the whole financial equation, the professional equation. You can change. You must use this time in a most productive form. You'll go through lots of some sort of a tricky situation which can be very stressful and full of tension, sometimes insecurity. But you go through many challenges, tedious situations, complications and hassles. Your enthusiasm will be there, but focus need to be there. Your financial prosperity will be there, but concentration is most required, no doubt about it. With your focus and concentration, you can achieve anything. Sagittarius, due to Ketu position 12th house, there will be rise in name, fame, but you have to run around quite a lot for that, what you want to achieve. Moon Rahu in 6th house, keep a close eye on your rivals or enemies. Look after your health. Sun Mars position in 10th house, there will be accomplishment, there will be achievement. All depend on how organized you are. But may I say that achievements will be there. Be prepared for that professionally. Mercury Venus 11th house, there will be multiple income sources or unique financial opportunities. All depend on how you're going to handle those. Jupiter Saturn position in 10th house, income resources will be there. Financial backing will be unique, but you must be organized, please. And beware of cheating, deception, fraud at the same time. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, like your moon's transit effect. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report will tell you what astrological task you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must exercise in the next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Capricorn weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1. In this coming week, your financial situation will improve. Professionally, you'll be quite busy. Your foreign projects will bring financial reward, success, prosperities. Your past efforts will bring significant rewards. But due to Saturn Sadasati, your annoyances, frustration can be sky high and you go through a lot of secret tensions. Sometimes your loved one's support, cooperation won't be there to your expectation. Sometimes loved one can be missing from the scene. You'll come across lots of income resources, new financial opportunities, new ventures, new ideas, new plannings. Or everything will be there and the new people will be there from the business community. You'll come across lots of family happy occasions. Your situation will definitely improve as compared to past. But be focused, be determined. Due to Ketu position in 11th house, there will be multiple income resources and unique financial opportunities. And Moon Rahu in 5th house. Watch your communication, watch your discipline. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud. Watch your conduct and dealing. Sun Mars position in 9th house. Support of the luck will be there. All depend on how organized you are. Mercury and Venus in 10th house. There will be multiple income resources and financial opportunities. Jupiter, Saturn position in Lagna. I think you should upgrade your way of thinking. That you can achieve quite a lot. All depend on your vision, drive, determination, discipline. Please try not to be adopting a layback attitude or stubborn attitude. Please, you might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, like your moon's transit effect. That will define you. Your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Complete weekly horoscope report define you what astrological task you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must exercise in next 7 days to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must exercise to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Aquarius, conclusion part 1. In this coming week, you go through lots of financial complications. You'll be able to materialize your financial planning due to lots of family misunderstanding, or there are a lot of complication, hassles, issues. Due to business partnership and joint venture, you go through a lot of hassles. You have to make all the decisions with a lot of care and consideration. Your mind will be restless. There will be lack of satisfaction. Beware of accident and mishappenings. You must look after your health. You go through a lot of stress. Beware of any accident, joint venture issues. Be careful. You go through lots of marriage relationship complications regarding understanding, regarding listening. Refrain from stubborn attitude. Beware of financial losses and too much secret tension. Be careful. Aquarius, in this coming week, due to Ketu position in the 10th house, you'll come across lots of professional fluctuations, financial fluctuations. Sometimes you have a look after your relationship with higher authority, your boss, your senior, juniors, with your colleagues. Make sure there should not be any hidden conflict in your profession. Moon Rahu in 4th house, sometimes peace of mind, concentration, focus, not there. Sometimes you can be very restless. Sometimes you will feel that you're in the middle of a conflict. You have to deal with quite a lot of things, personally as well as professionally. Sun Mars position in 8th house. Temper can be sky high. Sometimes you can be all over the place and you can be very much annoyed. Mercury, Venus in 9th house. Support of the luck will be there. More you become active, creative, dynamic, and more you become visionary, you will be able to resolve a lot of your problems, complications. Jupiter, Saturn position 12th house. Watch your debts, watch your communication, watch your expenditure. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which can define you, your moon's transit effect. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health and harmony, happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report will define you what astrological task you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must exercise in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must do in next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Pisces weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Pisces. In this coming week, your expected gain won't be there. Your mind can be restless. You can be very much disappointed. But due to Mars's position, there will be great improvement. There will be rise in status, prestige and honor. You must look after your health regarding male and female health. Any issue with blood, any issue with lower abdomen. You will come across lots of professional complications. Your own people will start conspiracy behind your back. Your own people will behave with you in a most awkward way. There will be few fundamental family differences. And you got to exercise your humility, patience and politeness. Do not overreact. You have to take a review of the whole situation. Think very thoroughly. Pisces in this coming week, due to Ketu position 9th house. Support of the luck will be there, but look after your back and energy level. Sometimes you can be all over the place. Moon house position 3rd house. Look after your communication. Watch your communication. Communication have to be flawless. Sun Mars position 7th house. You can be in the middle of a conflict. You have to be very careful. Take a proper appropriate advice whenever you need if you're in the middle of a legal conflict. Mercury Venus position 8th house. Look after your communication with world around you. Jupiter Saturn position 11th house. Make sure this particular period you have to be very careful. Your income sources, financial opportunities. Make sure that you should contribute continuously. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit effect. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need. What astrological tasks you must do if you're trapped in a situation to come out from that situation. What precautions you must exercise in this particular time period to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must exercise in next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.